Alrighty, everybody. So, I decided that because my whole family is kind of not doing anything with me right now, that I was going to go outside in the rain. Let's go. Oh, when I flicked my hair looked like I got like some bob thing. There we go. Look at it outside. It's so gross looking. Brr. Alright, let's go. Oh, la, la, la. Sassy hair flip. But yeah, this is fun. Gonna go for a stroll down the Broadway. Pow! And sass. I don't know, I just feel surrounded right now, like being out in the rain, being so fabulous. Oh my gosh. Look at my hair, oh my god. It is so nice out though. Look at this. It's like not even like, look at the sun. Where's the sun? Ain't nobody know. Good thing, however, is we don't really have to water our plants now. See, this is my backyard. Whoa. You know what? Let's just do something for fun. See, there's our hose. Because screw logic. Anyways, I think I'm gonna put my phone inside just because it's getting wet. So, I'll see you guys later. Bye.